Question number 1.
Go! I'm
What?
smarter than Google.
What is the biggest planet in solar system?
Jupiter.
Question number 2.
Hindi Saturn.
Pang-ilan sa magkakapatid si Dr. Jose Rizal?
Oh, grabe po nang. Uy, pwede sa planet-planet lang. Kuan. Only sun?
No.
5.
Dahil na? Question.
Di ka na lang.
Pang-ilan sa magkakapatid si Dr. Jose Rizal?
Ikatulo.
Wrong.
Pangalawa.
Mali.
Kapila di ay.
Ika-7.
Ay, 7 sila lagi. Ikat kayo, Papa.
Next question. What is the popular and nickname of former Senator Benigno Aquino Jr.,
And?
whose death by assassination sparked the events that led to the People Power Revolution?
Ninoy.
Correct. Next question. What is the smallest bone in a human body?
Boneless.
Wrong.
Ano daw?
What is the smallest bone in a human body?
Boneless? Bangus. Bunakid?
Wrong. Last.
Stirrup.
Wrong. The correct answer is stapes.
Same raman na. Syrup o stapes.
Yeah.
What sir? I-search niyo.
Next question. Who is known as the Iron Lady of Asia?
Iron Man.
Wrong.
Lady.
Iron
Who is
Woman.
known as the Iron Lady of Asia?
Annabelle.
Wrong.
Mukha ilag. Gaga. Grabe
Who is
po.
known as the Iron Lady of Asia?
Miriam Defensor.
Correct. Next
tama.
question. What is the longest mountain range in the Philippines?
Longest. Long distance relationship.
Wrong. What is the longest mountain range in the Philippines?
Mount Apo.
Wrong.
Ay, mga bundok.
What is the longest mountain range in the Philippines?
Cagayan Province Range of Mountain.
Wrong. The correct answer is Sierra Madre.
Sa Cagayan, medyo po na.
Anta man ako.
Next question. Who is the first Filipina beauty queen who won Miss Universe?
Gloria.
Posible di mo kaila.
Gloria.
Defensor Santiago.
Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
Wrong.
Gloria Diaz.
Correct. Next
Si
question.
Gloria sa bali ay. Di si Margie Moran.
1969.
Next question. In LGBTQIA+, if L stands for lesbian, G stands for gay, then Q stands for what?
Queer.
Correct. Next question. On March 11, 1942, who said the famous line, I shall return?
Oy, posible. Buka na eskwela.
Again, on March 11, 1942, who said the famous line, I shall return?
5, 4, 3. Itong nangutang sa mukha na balik ko daw siya.
Wrong.
Magellan.
Uy, mali! Mali, mayut!
Ano si isa to?
On March 11, 1942, who said the famous
Douglas
line, I shall
MacArthur.
Correct.
Mm.
Next question.
Douglas Cargas.
What
Hindi, sabay
is,
mo ko to sila.
Gagawin sila.
what is the color of the hottest star?
Color?
Yes. What is the color of the hottest star?
Yellow.
Wrong.
Sige, tama. Yellow man ang star. Blue.
Correct. Next question.
Upo dyan kay tama.
Give at least 3 color of Olympic rings. Give at least 3
Green,
color of Olympic
green,
rings.
red, yellow.
Correct. Correct. Next question. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet?
Kasi root. Gamot?
Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet?
Isa
Isa
ang
ni sulat.
Purot gamot. Purot gamot.
Who
Si
wrote the
ano?
play Romeo and Juliet?
Pass.
Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet?
Pass.
Wrong.
Si Kuan, nakalimot po.
Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet?
Dili
Francisco Balagtas.
Wrong. The correct answer is William Shakespeare.
Shakespeare.
Awa!
Next question. Who is the Greek goddess of beauty?
Greek
Who
goddess.
is the Greek goddess of beauty?
Pia words back.
Wrong.
Athena.
Wrong. Who is the Greek goddess of beauty?
Psyche.
Wrong. The correct answer is Aphrodite. Next question. Who is the founder of Facebook?
Sorry ni sila founder.
Who is the founder of Facebook?
Facebook sila nagunggang. Nagkasay founder. Founder?
Who is the founder of Facebook?
Michael Morgan.
Wrong.
Michael Morgan.
Zach Zuckerberg.
Wrong.
Zach?
Mark
Correct. The correct answer is Mark Zuckerberg. Next question.
Zach ba?
What is the minimum age requirement for the president in the Philippines before or on the day of election? Again, what is the minimum age requirement for the president in the Philippines before or on the day of election?
Jeez.
Wrong.
Minimum.
Wrong.
45.
Wrong.
Masa di ay ka edad?
What is the minimum age
50.
requirement? Wrong. The correct answer is 40.
Sapit na ko.
Next question. What is the longest bridge in the Philippines that connects Leyte and Samar?
Saro.
What is the longest bridge in the Philippines that connects Leyte and Samar?
Waniko.
Oo.
Waniko Bridge.
Mali.
Wanito.
Wrong.
Wanito Bridge.
Wrong.
San Waniko Bridge.
Correct. Next question. What is the largest organ in human body?
Skin.
Correct. Next question. What is the pen name of Marcelo H. Del Pilar?
Masa pin?
What is the pen name of Marcelo H. Del Pilar?
Pen name?
Angga.
Ay, Angga. Marcelo.
What
Si
is the
Melchor.
pen name? Wrong.
Melchor. Melchor man. Mars.
Wrong. What is the pen name of Marcelo H. Del Pilar?
Gregorio del Pilar.
Wrong. The correct answer is Plaridel. Next question. Who is the mother of Harry Potter?
Hala. Ano ko kailas ang mama sa mong silingan?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Who is the mother of Harry Potter?
Clarabelle.
Wrong. Who is the mother of Harry Potter?
Mary Potter.
Wrong. Who is the mother of Harry Potter?
Isabel.
Wrong. The correct answer is Lily Potter. Next question. Who is the first president from Mindanao and the oldest person to be elected president of the Philippines?
Atis na naka-isa tama.
Who is the first president from Mindanao and the oldest person to be elected president in the Philippines of the
Hindi
Philippines?
Sara.
Wrong.
President.
Who is the first president from Mindanao and the oldest person to be elected?
Rodrigo Roa III.
Correct. Next question. What branch of science which deals with the study of cell? Yes, what branch of science which deals with the study of cell?
Ayun ang isigo. Awa na. 5, 4.
Atoms.
Wrong.
Atomology.
Wrong. What branch of science which deals with the study of cells?
Cell. Cellphone.
Wrong. What branch of science which deals with the study of cells?
Zoology, biology,
Branch of science which deals with the study of cell.
anatomy.
Wrong. The correct answer is cytology. Next question. In Greek mythology, who is the king of all gods?
Zeus.
Correct. Next question. Which country is known as the land of smiles? Which
Huh?
country is known as the land of smiles?
Country homes, buhangin.
Wrong. Which country is known as the land of smiles?
Brazil.
Wrong. Which country is known as the land of smiles?
Thailand.
Correct. Next question.
Ulok.
What is the value of pi?
Ha?
Math niya, what is the value
Puding.
of pi?
Pai, puding.
Wrong.
Ha?
What is the
Puding,
value
uy.
of pi? Wrong. What is the value of pi in mathematics?
Buko pai.
Wrong. What is the value of pi in mathematics?
3.14.
Correct. Next question.
Number di angat sir.
What is the symbol for potassium? Science.
Potassium.
What is the symbol for potassium?
P.
Wrong.
P. PT.
Wrong.
Potassium.
Wrong. What is the symbol for potassium?
P.
Wrong.
K.
Correct. Next
Kung napi mo
question.
niya, pigyan una.
Next question. It is a branch of science that deals with the study of weather.
Weather.
It is the branch of science that deals with the study of weather.
Ernie Baron.
Wrong. What is the branch of science that deals with the study of weather?
Pag-asa.
Wrong.
Buwan.
What is the branch of science that deals with the study of weather?
Nawalo. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Astrology.
Wrong. The correct answer is meteorology.
Ay, meteorology
Next
na yun.
question. What is the largest island in the Philippines? What is the largest island in the Philippines?
Leyte.
Wrong.
Camiguin.
Wrong.
Bohol.
Wrong. What is the largest island in the Philippines?
Islander.
Wrong.
Go.
What is the largest island in the Philippines?
Palawan.
Wrong. The correct
Bohol.
answer is Luzon.
Ay, island din.
Island din ang Luzon na, di man na island.
Oo, tulo na ba ya?
Samal Island.
Next question. Who is the only brother of Dr. Jose Rizal?
Ay, kabuang na
Who is the only brother of Dr. Jose
Wala ka
Rizal?
ni skwila.
Kung hindi kaila sa iyong mama, sa iyong brother na noon.
Who is the only brother of Dr. Jose Rizal?
Jose Rizal. Pass. Makaya.
Who is the only brother of Jose Rizal?
Doc Yapi.
Wrong.
Tigagdok yapi.
Ang sa icon.
Who is
Lalaki, babae.
lalaki?
Ay, kabalo na ko.
Who is the only brother of Dr. Jose Rizal?
Juan Rizal.
Wrong.
Rizal
The correct
Park.
answer is Pasiano Rizal.
Si Pasiano di ay.
Next question.
Sige na. Sige na.
Next question. What animal regenerates when old and rises from ashes? What animal regenerates when old and rises from ashes?
And mamaak ba yung mag-garage ba ka sa...
Wrong. What in Harry Potter? What animal regenerates when
Ay, sa
old
Harry
and
Potter,
rises
di
from
ay.
ashes? This is from literature.
Dinosaur.
Wrong. In Harry Potter, what animal regenerates when old and rises from the ashes?
Dragon.
Wrong. The correct answer is phoenix.
Awa, Phoenix. Last na ni, oy. Masunog ba yung isulihan ni Phoenix dum?
Next question.
Last na ni, taas na kayo, taas na. Sakit yung ulo na. Pwede siya tama.
Next question. If an individual is suffering from emphysema, what organ of the body is primarily affected? Again,
Emphysema?
if an individual is suffering from emphysema, what organ of the body is primarily
Emphysema.
affected?
Sima. Breast.
Wrong.
Suwang.
Wrong.
Ilong.
Wrong.
Lubot.
If an individual is suffering from emphysema, what organ of the body is primarily affected?
Brain.
Wrong.
Meningitis ang brain.
If an individual is suffering from emphysema, what organ of the body is wrong? The correct answer is lungs. Not lungs. Last question na ni.
Last.
He was for a Philippine history ni. He was recognized as the first and the youngest president of the Philippines and the first president of a constitutional republic in Asia.
Emilio Aguinaldo.
At least naka-one ka last question na good. Paano nakamanok kay Emilio?